Wow. Look at all that juice that's just...
Like, I know how to cook, yeah, but I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo! It's 24-hour kitchen, I'm cooking with Ringo vision. I've seen it on television, looking like he's on a mission. Got a perfect Sunday dinner and I only had to listen. Give me every measurement and everything that I was missing. I needed rice, I needed peas, I needed chicken. My belly started rumbling, the food was finger licking. The food was falling off the bowl and ready for the picking. Ringo had the vision with 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Yes, everyone, welcome again to another amazing episode. Look what I've got with me today. I've got some rainbow snapper, people, and I've also got myself some prawns, everyone. So I've got a range of vegetables, people, yeah. So I've already chopped up some and peeled some onions, pumpkin, yellow yam, carrot, cho-cho, turnip. I got a lime in the water, everyone, and I've also got a few more things here, like some callaloo, some more okra, some kiwi, some mango, some passion fruit, everybody. All right, we've got our tomato, good vibes. We've also got a corn. Yes, everybody, it's going to be an amazing episode today. So we've got pepper prawns. You've never seen pepper prawns in the program today. And we're going to be doing a double today as well, people, yeah? We're also going to be giving you roast fish. That's going to be this fish here, stuffed with the callaloo and the vegetables, then wrapped in this foil paper, banged in the oven for about half an hour, 45 minutes, and we're going to get an amazing meal. So stay tuned for this episode, people, yeah? And don't forget to what? Like, comment, and what? Subscribe. Or else I'm going to wrap you up in this foil paper and stuff you and put you in the oven. Right now, everyone, is basically I'm preparing the callaloo, removing the callaloo flowers from the callaloo, everybody, because you know that the callaloo has also got a rough texture. So you see all of this, these strands at the bottom here, we'll be getting rid of them. Just so you just go to the bottom of the knife and just peel upwards and just get them off, because that's like the tough bits of the callaloo. I don't know if you've ever bought callaloo in the tin, and you might find a little few tough pieces. That's them ones there, because it's a tin. So you know, say in the factory they're not going to really to deal with the callaloo in a certain way, but I'm showing you how you prepare the callaloo, people. And you can see that we just peel all of these off from the outside layer of the callaloo, and then you've got the soft texture underneath. It's like a little soft little skin that to get rid of on the callaloo, and get rid of all the little flowers, the little blossoms and the callaloo blossom. That to get rid of all that as well. See that the pan is hot. So what's happening now, I'm going to just leave my callaloo to just drain in this container here. Just leave it in the sink, and good vibes. I'm just preparing the vegetable that's going to be going inside of the stuffed fish. So our good vibes.
Yeah, man.
So what's going to happen right now, I'm just cutting the onions in. Not too small, just a decent little size. Mad thing I go on. So this is the scallion, also known as spring onion. So we're going to be adding a bit of that in as well. Everything I go on into the people, yeah, you're going to be surprised, because inside of this stuffed fish, guess what me I put inside? Have a guess. If you can put it in the comment section now, because we're in the live right now, people. Have a guess what we're going to stuff the fish with as well, people. Have a guess. I'm waiting, because the callaloo are forward, yes. We're going to put the callaloo in there, yes. We're going to put the okra in there, yes. And you understand, the onion and them things there, yes. And the scotch bonnet pepper, yes. But what's the next ingredients that you're going to get in there? Right now, I'm adding the turnip. So the turnip will get prepared to go in there as well, people. So that's a turnip. But I bet you say you never see the yellow yam in the fish before. That's the yellow yam, people. So the yellow yam is gonna go inside the business today, people, yeah. So I'm gonna show you, say, you don't see it, but I'm gonna show you how we do it, because you have to do it a particular way to get it done right, because the yam can be tough when it's finished. So if you do it nice and small little pieces. So this is the chocho. So what I'm adding now, everybody, I'm adding the yam. So yam is dealt with today in a completely abnormal way from its natural way of how we know you deal with it. Yam's gonna be moving like what do you do when they stuff a when you stuff a Christmas turkey? Guts. When you stuff a Christmas turkey, what would you call that kind of stuffing that makes it kind of into the ball? Is it a potato? Is it a potato base?
It's more like a meat based, isn't it? I'd say, I don't know, stuffing.
Yeah, so hopefully
doughy texture.
a doughy texture.
Yeah.
So hopefully today, yeah, the yam will grind down like not like a mashed potato, but in a way that it's got like that softness. So it's gonna be the body of the food, if you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So yellow yam added in. So we're gonna add some more chocho as well. Yeah, innit?
Where did chocho originate from?
Chocho, that's a good question, you know. Where does chocho originate from? Alright, anybody?
Chinese.
Is it Chinese? That's a good, could possibly, because it's in a lot of countries around the world. A lot of tropical countries, the chocho is there. It grows on a vine, innit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So alright, we're gonna use a bit of tomato as well.
The colours are unreal.
Oh, the colour that we're working with today.
Mm.
Yes, everybody, have a look at the colours. So we're adding more pepper again, you know. More Scotch bonnet. And what we're gonna do now, this Scotch bonnet here is the mad thing. Just smell the aroma from it. Yeah, mad thing. You can know your pepper, yeah, of the type of heat, because heat carries harsh heat, sweet heat. It all depends on the pepper and the stages that the pepper is in. But the stages that this pepper is in is not fully gone to red yet. It's in that greeny yellow form. Full yellow would have given you that full creamy type of sweet. I can't even describe it, but you know what time it is when it's kicking out of the pot, because that's the heat that you're looking for if you want even your rice and peas. You could drop this in your rice and peas just to enhance the flavor just from that pepper without getting the heat out of it.
What are you cutting now?
Right now I'm just cutting up the okra, everybody. So you've seen okra on the program a few times. Don't forget to go into season 1, everybody, yeah, and check out season 1. That's where Ringo Vision started off. Just do a recap on the whole 24-hour kitchen, people, on the journey. Right now, everybody, and we're on 2,800 plus subscribers. I need you guys to push me up to 3,000. But guess where I really want to go, people? I really need for the Christmas right now, people. You lot need to put the camera on me, Greg. Now, everyone, come on, man. I've been doing this for a minute. Look, 5,000 subscribers for the Christmas. Big Christmas present I've got a big episode for you guys coming out. Look, I'm in the creation right now. Season 5, look, I'm giving you a 2-in-1. I'm giving the prawns and the fish and the vegetable. So I'm putting in the work, people, yeah. So all I need you guys to do, yeah, share up the live right now. Spread it to your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister. How come none of you lot ain't shared it with your work colleague? I ain't heard nobody say that, bro, this is Maureen, or this is Gunnar, or this is James's workmate, or James's sister, or Maureen's sister, JJ. People, I'm calling out names right now, so I need my family them. I need you lot to get involved, because I'm shouting out you lot's name, you know, when I'm about, you understand, when I'm off YouTube and you lot ain't seeing me. I'm chatting about you lot all the time, so you stay there. So I need you lot to talk about me a bit more, people, yeah? That's all I'm asking for, yeah? Just spread the word a bit. Good vibes, one love.
Ringo vision.
Come on.
What do you think I'm coming back with that, man?
God said he's coming back with his fish.
I'm not listening out.
Alright, look at this, everyone, yeah? So what we've got the fish waiting to be stuffed. We've got the prawns waiting to be peppered. And we've got the broth that's gonna go inside of the fish. It's waiting there, all chopped up. We've got the callaloo here, people, yeah, just waiting to get chopped up. It's gonna get chopped up nice and fine to add to this. And look at this. That's the sound you guys been waiting for. Yeah, good vibes. I did all this eating. So look, this is what we've all been waiting for, guys. This special moment here. So the excitement's begun. The flavors are starting to jump at you already. You can smell it, the aroma. Everything's happening there, everybody. So look, we've got pumpkin, we've got okra, we've got Scotch bonnet pepper, we've got yellow yams, we've got thyme, we've got cho, we've got red onions. The whole works is inside of here today, people, yeah? Let me add a little bit more thyme, good vibes. Time is of the essence. We've got carrot going in there, everybody. So what I'm gonna do now is add, yeah, that's the pepper. The special ingredients, yeah, the pepper's going on the way. So I'm gonna turn down the pan right now to the lowest. Add some all-purpose seasoning mix. Remember, you can get one of these. The descriptions are going across the screen, people. All right, good vibes. So we've added a bit of all-purpose seasoning mix. We've stirred it in now. And what we're going to do, we're just going to let that sit for a few minutes. Stage 2. So I'm just going to be chopping up the callaloo, people. So in just a minute, you'll see the finished produce of the callaloo. So our good vibes. Look at that, everyone. So what we've got going on in there is an amazing.
How long for that thing? Like 10 more minutes? 5?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just ready for the callaloo to just go straight in. So after a few minutes, because the callaloo now is not going to take long to just blend in. So once the callaloo is cooked in with the harder bits of vegetables now, then we can get to our next process, which will be actually stuffing the fish, because this is the first stage, well, third stage, because the callaloo is gone in now, which is brought it to our next stage. So good vibes, everybody. I'm just gonna let that just go and sucker for a couple minutes, and then yeah, we can start to get ready to prepare the fishes now. So yeah, what we need next, that one's Greg's fish. So I'm just going to give them a small score. Yeah, man, I good vibes, everybody. So look at this. Callaloo. Yeah, man, this is in less than 2 minutes, everyone. This is actually a meal that's ready to eat with either rice and peas, or even some hard food, some sweet mashed potato, pounded yam, fufu, cassava, anything. Stir fry, you could make some stir fry on the side to go with it. You understand? With some noodles, some pasta, anything you want, you could actually put with this meal here and complete it. Or you could serve this up, have this by itself with some avocado or some, do you understand? Yeah. So first of all, I'm just going to be adding a bit of butter on the outside. So as you can see, I'm using a spoon and a fork, and I'm going to be adding a bit of butter on the inside and some just on the foil paper. And that's number one, ready. And then the next stage is to just stuff it. So the ingredient's gonna come straight from out of the pan, straight into the fish, wrapped and put straight underneath the oven. The oven's already on, everyone. So what I've also done as well, I'm boiling the kettle just to put so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lightly just put a bit of boiling hot water into my pan. And that will hold the fish and keep it at a humidity level that I want, so that it doesn't dry out on the inside. So keep the temperature kind of humid inside the oven. So let's do the last check. We're back, we're ready. So let's turn the pan off. So look at that, everyone. So let's start with the stuffing. So we're looking at about so that's one down.
People, so work about.
So what we've got there now, everyone, yeah, is the first one is completed. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do a wrap. And on each wrap as well, so you know, say we're gonna finish them off with 2 slices of Scotch bonnet. So just move our fish a bit more over in the middle. So I'll show you the process. So it's simple. So we're just gonna go with a fold, cross over, and we just lap it like that on one side. And look, so what I'm gonna do, I always give them like a double wrap. And this is now ready to just be placed inside of our oven. So we're going to put them all in together, but I'm just showing you what's going to be happening today. So that's number one, that's ready. And let's just start with number two now, guys. Look at that, they've all gone in now. So it's that time. So we're going to put on a timer, 30 minutes. On 200 degrees heat. Good vibes. Just a quick check, everyone. So we've got like just a little bit over 10 minutes left. Good vibes. It's just sitting there in the water that's at the bottom of the tray, like I said. Just make it go on steam. I'm gonna turn up the oven a little bit. Put it to 250. Got the water's in there holding it. Good vibes. And just adding my ingredients. Yes, people are good vibes. So if you like what you see, everyone, if you like what you see, just put a comment, subscribe, share the channel with friends and family, people. Yeah, man, are good vibes. So it's a pepper prawn, but I'm adding a flair to it, people. So I'm just gonna put the Scotch bonnet pepper here. Not gonna mash out the seed, but I'm gonna drop it in. Next thing I'm gonna add in here, everyone, the Ringo Vision all-purpose seasoning mix. Just gonna continue to stir in all our chopped vegetables. Normally pepper prawns, everybody do pepper prawns different, but I'm doing a special one today, especially for the channel, everyone. Just giving you a different flair to the pepper prawns, everyone. It's not your normal, ordinary pepper prawns that you're used to. This one here, we've got the chopped vegetables, them, and go on with it. So I'm just making them go on fry up. And once they fry up to a certain level, what I'm gonna be doing, what I'm gonna also add as well, looking for some, yes, that's it. Looking for some pimento seed. Right, add some pimento seed, everyone. A bit of garlic powder. So I'm just going to get some mango chunks. A little bit of chunks of mango. Get that going in there as well. Good vibe. So I'm going to add in the chunks of mango. And the mango is to just kind of balance out the heat what we're creating, because we're creating the bad boy heat today, which is the, you know, inside the Scotchy way I use, the Jamaican, the Scotch bonnet. Just adding a little piece more in there. And look at this. Add my prawns in there. And prawns are very simple, light work. As you see, they start to conform colour and cook very rapidly and quick with that pinkness. You would see that they start to go pink. Good vibes, everybody. Alright, so we just turn off the pepper prawns. Look at that, everyone. So just at a completion. So I'm going to turn this off now. So this as well is almost completed as well. So next time, serve up time. Yes, everyone. So we're at a completion right now, and we're just organising the plates. You see it? Yeah, man. Our good vibes. So yeah, look at this. Soon open up the fish, and make you see what I go on underneath there. I soon bust the pot. See the plant in them there. All right. See the last of the ingredients them. All right, people. Yeah. So our good vibes. Yes, everybody. The moment we've all been waiting for. We're here at the grand finale. We're at the finishing line, people. Yeah. All right. But you can't see what's in there. Come and have a look. See that, everyone? So it's that moment we've all been waiting for, people, yeah. But let's start over here. You start unraveling nice and slowly. Look at all that juice look at all that juice that's just set in the foil paper. And I'm going to show you how I've done the foil paper so there's no leaking, people, yeah? So we can just transport our fish. If you can just remove this one here. Let me just drop our fish here nice and neatly. So that's it. So let's do a full transport now, car. Go on, out you come. There we go. So that's meal number 1. So what I'm doing now, because this is a very passionate meal, so you can't serve a passionate meal without a passion fruit, everyone. So, say we're gonna drop a passion fruit in the mix. And also a kiwi, we're going to just drop a kiwi in the mix as well, people. So we're here at our final completion, everybody. So we have our first meal. Let's go to our second meal now. Let's get some broth in there. So we have our peppered prawns here. We're going to just serve up our peppered prawns, everyone. We've just got a light planting where we're just going to put a planting on the side. Just neatly. And then we have the rice. So we're just serving up the rice here, everyone, to just go over our meal. So here we have a completion of our meal. Good vibes, everybody. So if you like what you see, I'd like you to like, comment, and subscribe, people, car. We're there. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people, yeah? Our good vibes. So look at the Callaloo, look at the Scotch bonnet pepper on top. The fresh Callaloo with all the cho-cho and everything, pumpkin and everything that was cooked down earlier on in the program. We've got the plant in here served up, the kiwi and also the passion fruit, everyone. We've got our peppered prawns with the pumpkin and all the ingredients, all the flavors coming out of there, and our last finale, the white rice, to just top it down to give you that filling, people, yeah? So our good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Respect. Our good vibes. Yes, everyone, so before I was gone, I just had to show you inside of the fish with all the callaloo, the cho-cho, the chopped up yam, the pumpkin. Amazing. Look at that white delicious fish. Pick a bit of it up. Look at how soft it is. Amazing, everybody. Yeah, man, our good vibes. 24-hour kitchen. We're there outside. Look at that. Good vibes, soft, nice, delicious, outside. The whole plate get mashed up, you know. Yeah, man, people, you don't know, say we're there. We're still there in the kitchen. Yeah, man, one more fish today if we get mashed up. We still have some more sinting them there, so people. So, yeah, man, our good vibes outside. So, I want to just big up everybody that's on the program, on the journey so far. Yeah, man, I'm enjoying what's going on, people. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, people, yeah. Enough respect again, people, yeah. Have a good day and a good evening, a good morning, good afternoon, a good night. Because you're right around the world and it's a different time frame. You understand, people? Alright, bless up.